In this video, I'm going to show you how to use iPhone dark mode. You can automate the iPhone dark mode and you can manually set your iPhone dark mode. You can also instruct the dark mode feature on your iPhone to use the system settings. So whichever one that pleases you, this video is going to walk you through. Now, to use dark mode on your iPhone, you first need to enable the dark mode feature on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Then there are two features available here. Under appearance, there is light mode and dark mode. If you click on dark mode, your iPhone screen will change to dark mode instantly, whether it is during the day or at night. So you can see our iPhone screen is changed to dark mode. Then if you tap light mode again, the iPhone screen will change to light mode. However, you can automate the iPhone dark mode yourself by hitting the automatic button. Once you click on this, you should see the iPhone dark mode changed to dark mode instantly depending on the time that you are doing this. If you are doing this at night, however, if you click on the option button, you have two options here. The option to choose sunrise to sunset or set your own custom schedule for your iPhone appearance to switch to dark mode and switch to light mode. To customize when your iPhone will go into light mode or when it will go into light or dark mode, all you need to do is click on custom schedule, and once you hit custom schedule, your iPhone will come back to the system settings or the system mode, in this case light mode. Then choose when the light mode should start. Click on this. Then do you want it to start AM or PM? If you want it to start PM, you can just select 7. You can see 7 PM. Then if you want it to start 8 PM or 7:45, select this and then toggle on 7:45. That's light mode in the morning. But if you want it to be at night, all you need to do is swipe up 7:45 at night is going to be 19:45. Then you see that this is because the time is currently 7:45 and my iPhone has changed to 7:45. Now if you want the light mode to come up 7 AM in the morning, just put on 7 AM or 7:45. Then your iPhone light mode will come up. Then in the dark mode, just click on the dark mode section. You can see it is set to 10 PM at night. Then click on this. When do you want your iPhone dark mode to come in play? In this case, let's say I want my iPhone dark mode to come in play at exactly 7:45. I just need to select 19 and here select the minute and see here it is 45. 45 is what I want to select here. Then 19, then select 45 here or 46. So once you select the time here, your iPhone will remain on light mode. But as soon as the time is 7:46, your iPhone will switch to dark mode. Now hit the back button. Once you hit the back button, you can come here to adjust the brightness. Here, use this slider to adjust the brightness. See your iPhone screen brightness. You can use it to adjust the brightness, and also it's advisable to turn on True Tone. With True Tone, your iPhone will automatically adapt the display based on the ambient lighting condition to make colors appear consistent in different environments. At the same time, you want to talk about the night shift. So if you click on the night shift, you have option to schedule or manually enable until tomorrow. Night shift automatically shift the color of your display to the warmer and of the color spectrum after dark. This may help you get a better night sleep. So you want to schedule your night shift, set the time from when to when, or manually enable night shift from now to tomorrow. You can see the night shift is enabled, and this will make you have a better experience with your iPhone when using at night. Also, if you scroll down, you should see auto lock and raise to wake. With the raise to wake feature, your iPhone will wake up once you raise it either in dark mode or in light mode. And the auto lock feature will lock your iPhone between 30 seconds and 5 minutes, or if you set to never, your iPhone screen will never lock. And there you go. There is also display zoom. If you click on the display zoom, then you have light test or default test depending on your choice. And when you choose either of these, you need to go ahead now and tap on the done button. And there you go. So this is how to use the dark mode on your iPhone. So if you find this one interesting, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.